Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. Today in this video, I will be taking topics divisibility rule for 3, 6 and 9. So let's get started. First I am taking divisibility rule for 3. I have taken in one of my videos divisibility rule for 2, 4 and 8. Now today I am taking divisibility for 3, 6 and 9. So first I am taking divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of its digits is divisible by 3. What we will do? We will sum the digits value, and if it is divisible by 3, the number given is divisible by 3. Let us consider some numbers. For example, I am taking 123 and 2007. Now 123 has three digits. What is that? For 1, 2 and 3. And 2007 has 4 digits, 2, 0, 0, 7. I will add them individually and I will find whether the sum of these digits is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum is coming divisible by 3, that means the number is divisible by 3. So, sum of the digits of 123 is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. And sum of the digits of 2007 is 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 9. Now, you know that 3 and 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. We know 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 and 2007 are divisible by 3. Whatever number is given to us, we will add its digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, whatever value we are getting after adding the digits, if that value is divisible by 3, that implies the number given as divided by 3 is divisible by 3. The same way you will see for 4 digits as well. If sum of the digits is coming divisible by 3, that means the number given is divisible by 3. You need to first check the sum. I am taking divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. That means I need to check two tests of divisibility on the given number. First, to check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not. And what are those two tests of divisibility? Divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. For divisibility by 2, I have explained to you ones place digit should be either 0 or even. And for divisibility of 3, we have done sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. So both the conditions, both the test of divisibility has to be satisfied to get the number divisible by 6. But what will happen? Let us check this note. In case the number is not divisible by 2, the second test for 3 need not to be done. Because if the number is not divisible by 2, that means it is not going to be divisible by 6. So I don't need to check for the divisibility of 3. I am taking two examples for it, 18 and 42. You can check the digits at the ones place. They both are even digits. So both the numbers are divisible by 2. The first test has been satisfied by both the numbers. Now I will check for the divisibility of 3 on both the numbers. For that I need to add sum of the digits given. 1 plus 8, because 1 and 8 are the two digits here. So I will add them 9. I am getting sum as 9, which is divisible by 3. 42. I am adding 4 plus 2, which I am getting as sum is coming as 6, which is divisible by 3. both the test has been satisfied. This implies 18 and 42 are divisible by 6. That means for checking the divisibility by 6, I need to check two tests of divisibility on the given number. First, I will check the divisibility by 2, and after I am getting the positive result, then only I will go to the test of divisibility of 3. If I am not getting positive result from the test of divisibility by 2, I don't need to do the test of divisibility by 3. In case both the test has been satisfied, then I can say the number is divisible by 6. Now I am taking divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. It is same as we have done the divisibility test of 3. I am taking one example to explain you. Consider the number 65403. I am adding all the digits. Sum of the digits is 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3, which is coming as, sum is coming as 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 9. So, in this, I had explained to you that the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. And same is the case for 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. But for the divisibility of 6, I need to check two tests of divisibility. Divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. Thank you for your support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. Keep sharing, keep learning. And you can leave your doubts in the comments. And please consider subscribing if you are liking my videos. Thank you.